Hey, no talking. Start.
मैम स्टार्ट कैसे करें? गुड मॉर्निंग करके या फिर
Louder, louder.
अरे माइक
गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Akanshi Reswal. And I have written about if you can never be a good leader. The leader must have confidence in his decisions and actions. So I am in powerful position, keeping good relations with everyone and work hard. Treat people with respect, be genuine and show interest in others. Speak for that quietly and be helpful. In field of education, Bihar has a total literacy rate of 65.80% and male literacy rate 71.2% and female literacy rate 55.5%. Good schools and colleges are in cities only. So I provide good schools and colleges in villages also. And I also provide better scope of job in Bihar. Educated people in agriculture field, the best way to support farmers is increasing incomes because agriculture transformation is very low in India. Generating employment opportunities, reducing risks in agriculture, developing agriculture infrastructure, improving quality of rural life. Thank you.
अभी भी तुम्हारा वो फास्ट स्पीड अभी तक ठीक नहीं हुआ है. आई कांटेक्ट तो यू आर स्टिल बेटर फ्रॉम प्रीवियस स्पीचेस, बट वो जो फास्ट फास्ट बोलने का होता है वो स्लो करना है, ठीक है. एंड जो तुम्हारा स्पीच था कॉन्टेक्चुअल एरर वो था कि यू हैव टू राइट कि आई विल बी गिविंग दिस फ्यूचर टेंस में, ठीक है. सब कुछ फ्यूचर टेंस में लिखना है बिकॉज यू आर अज्यूमिंग दैट यू आर gaining that powerful position and then you are doing something ना, तो it is assumption, imaginary है तो future tense में लिखी जाएगी. I will be doing this, I will be doing that, ठीक है. तो बच्चे और किस में लिखोगे? Anyone else? प्रियंका आइए. You raised your hand, you have written the speech, come up here. Would be लिख सकते हैं, would. Yes, would is also okay. I think it depends on your context actually. Yes.
A very warm good afternoon to everyone who are present here. My name is Priyanka and I'm here to deliver a speech on future of fashion. First of all, I would like to introduce this word fashion and what this means to all of us. Fashion defines the world, whole world itself. Fashion englobes everything surrounding our environment. There is fashion everywhere. Fashion is about how we dress up and cover our bodies. It is an art, or we can say a passion, the art of transforming fabrics into clothing and new creations. But today, more than ever, fashion has power. enough power to make a whole population think and consider. And the future seems brighter for fashion, and it gets stronger and stronger. Uniformity will be the new trend, that is same suit every day. Basically gloomy and no fashion anywhere, but uniformity is also boring. If repeatedly everyone wears the same outfit, and that too every day, designers will have more respect, as consumers will be more conscious about who designed the garment, where it is manufactured, and how. Designing will be a highly regarded profession, and this will be the only point that will be differentiate professionalism. Already recycling is gaining a lot of ground, and some companies are making special collections bearing recycling in mind. This generation will also be more close to the environment. People will want to better quality, and question will be quality wise more than ever. Thank you.
मैम आवाज नहीं।
मैम आप म्यूट की हुई है खुद को।
हेलो मैम, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
मैम तो हम ही लोगों की आवाज नहीं जा रही है भाई।
अरे मैम म्यूट की है। अरे कोई बच्चा है वहाँ पे, बोल दे मैम को म्यूट की है।
राजेश बोल
Sorry.
भाई मैम को
No, the voices echo करते हैं, that's why I mute myself. तो आपको जाना है? Anyone else who would like to go on the topic? जो मैंने टॉपिक दिए हैं उन पे जिन्होंने स्पीच लिखे हैं वो जाएं पहले। You want to go then? Incomplete है मतलब? पूरा क्या नहीं लिखे हैं? That you have not concluded or something like introduction ही नहीं लिखा है। So how is your incomplete speech? आपने start ही नहीं किया। If you are not written the introduction only, then how is your speech incomplete? You haven't even started. आप जाइए बच्चे। Why? Yeah. Okay. I don't know. I don't know. Yes, anyone else who have written the speech on the topics that I have given you? नहीं, क्यों नहीं? How come you have written past when I have specifically told you that past नहीं होना चाहिए? अच्छा, नहीं, not like that. Now you have to write your own. What would you? Hey, बच्चे, क्या बातें हो रही हैं पीछे? इतना ही बोलने के लिए है आपके पास तो यहाँ आइए और बोलिए। Even I want to listen what you have to talk. वहाँ दोस्तों के बीच बैठ कर you're passing on comments. Please come in बच्चे। वो बहुत आसान है, ठीक है? 5 टॉपिक दिए थे and I haven't have 2 speeches more than that. वो भी वो टॉपिक। Yes, you can come. प्रीति आइए। नहीं आओगे तो फिर सोच लो, क्योंकि जो बच्चे ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट थे मेरी क्लास में पिछले हफ्ते उन सबका अटेंडेंस काटूंगी मैं। Because I have been telling you from last week and before that even. Last to last Saturday I have been starting telling you the topics and you have still not prepared the speech. That means either you have been like wiped out from the existence, or you are not paying attention to anything? Yes, please continue.
Good morning, all of you.
Camera, बच्चे, camera. Sorry? हाँ. No, if you are giving speech only, then. Yes, start.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Preeti, and I am here to deliver speech on if I were at powerful position. If I were at powerful position like Prime Minister, the first thing I would like to change the education system. I want to make it powerful, useful, interesting, and easy. Education will be free and universal. Open textbook system of examination followed by Viva voice test will be introduced at all levels. What do we see nowadays in our country? Uneducated people are contesting election, due to which the country is not progressing. So I want that the person who is not educated up to the matriculation stage will not be allowed to contest election. And election will be free and fair. There will be equality of opportunity for all. I would like to remove the reservation system. Because of reservation system, those who have merit are not getting selected in any field. So I will make sure that this reservation system will be removed and people are got selected.
Anyone else? Anyone else? Are you able to hear my voice? I know very well what college students are afraid of, because I have been afraid of those things once upon a time. So don't take it easily. मुझे अगर थ्रेड देना है तो मुझे कहाँ थ्रेड देना है वो भी मुझे पता है बहुत अच्छे से. और तुम्हारे लिए तो कुछ भी नहीं है. I have an experience of an engineering student. 1% जो होता है ना अटेंडेंस का, उसकी वैल्यू क्या है मुझे पता है.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Suraj, and I'm going to speak on.
तुम लोग शांति से बैठोगे तब तो उसकी आवाज जाएगी. एक तो वैसे यहाँ पर आके सबकी आवाजें बंद हो जाती हैं.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Suraj, and I'm going to speak on powerful position. If I were in powerful position, I will change the way how our system works by putting up lots of rules and regulations where innocent people are not going to crushed, abused, or any kind of disrespects toward them. Only those who found guilty or proven culprits are meant to be treated that way. There will be CCTV cameras installed along with audio unit, and this is going to be observed by some official assigned to this work. And if disrespectful behavior will found, then rule violator of law. I will create an organization for those people who are willing to work hard with dedication and never give up spirit. Going to work and polish them more to work effectively. Besides that, I will give order to fire all corrupted officers who are taking bribe and ignorant towards their work. Any kind of partiality or misuse of power is going to be extremely prohibited. And if anyone found out, they are responsible for their action.
कोई भी टॉपिक को कैसे बोरिंग किया जाए, you are giving lessons on that here, right? No, बेइज्जती की बात नहीं है. मुझे ये बताओ, मैंने मतलब I have half of the week I have spent thinking कि इसमें कितने बढ़िया स्पीच आ सकते हैं, and my hope is crushed down to the crust of the earth. तुम लोग बिल्कुल भी क्रिएटिव नहीं लिखे हो स्पीच.
मैम धीरे धीरे से.
ये बताओ कि मतलब तुम लोग को क्रिएटिविटी से क्या दुश्मनी है?
थोड़ा हाँ सही है मैम।
Not you student, not you people. I'm not even talking to you people. जो स्टूडेंट है यहाँ पर बीबीएम एंड बीबीए स्टूडेंट जो ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर इनरोल्ड हैं ब्रिज 3 स्टूडेंट, मुझे ये बताइए कि आपको क्रिएटिविटी से क्या खुन्नस है? मतलब आई हैव गिवन यू सो मच इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स कि कुछ तो अच्छा, एंड फैशन आई हैव इंक्लूडेड फॉर दोज स्टूडेंट हु आर नॉट एबल टू थिंक फ्रॉम हेयर, जिनको कुछ भी सुसाइड मतलब वही नेगेटिव ही जाना है. Nothing good is going to come out of your mouth, right? बस यही तुम्हारा जीवन में रह गया है. पैचअप एंड ब्रेकअप एंड बॉयफ्रेंड एंड रिलेशनशिप, यही तुम्हारा जीवन बन गया है बस, है ना? No, if you are going to speak about relationships to get out of the comfort zone, that is not getting out of your comfort zone. Let me. The PUBG is a different topic. That is something that you are addicted to. You are not addicted to your relationships. तुम लोग कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. You are doomed from the beginning. Yes, other students. आइए आप भी. You have prepared a speech. जी बच्चे कैमरा ऑन करना पड़ेगा. I know you are scared.
जरूरी है मैम.
मुझे पता है कि आपका चेहरा इतना भी गंदा नहीं है that you are scared to switch on the camera. कैमरा ऑन करिए, माइक ऑन करिए एंड एकदम बुलंद आवाज में दीजिए जो भी लिखा है.
भाई इज्जत की बात है. Good afternoon, student. My name is Ankit Kumar.
Okay, even I am
I
not
favor
able
to
to
power
hear.
position. When I get a job, I will double the cost of my house for my salary, and I will give the first gift of my salary to my mother and father. I have give a lot of pain. I do not want to look in life now, and I will
अरे तुम
help
बोल
my.
नहीं रहा है, तुम लोग चुप रहोगे? At least let me hear.
I do not want to look in life now, and I will help my poor, and I will reduce unemployment so that people can eat bread and 2 times. That's all. I'm over here.
हो गया? क्या बोल रहे हो? ठीक है. Yes, last bench student, वो जो एसी के एकदम नीचे बैठा है. आइए. हाँ. क्यों नहीं आए बच्चे? क्यों नहीं आए 2 सप्ताह से? कौन सा वायरल फीवर? You literally drain my energy to all. Yes.
If I will made on IS officer, first of all, first of all, whichever state I made IS officer, and after then I will can call the public for one horse. I will listen to the public about problems, and then all throughout I will take decision on it, and then people was saying as corruption, inflation, and scan extra. I will action in this example, and then I would know about education system everywhere. I will go school and check education system, and then I will know about public system, police station, and district office. I will write a letter, and I will know about criminal list, and then I will take strict decision against him.
Very much.